What's up guys? Ano po ang inyong pagkain? For today, ito po ang ating lulutuin. Yes! Can you guess what it is? Ito po ang ating kailangan. 2 eggs. Dalawang klaseng preparation. So, isang for liquid ingredients ba ang tawag doon? At saka isang for dry ingredients. Okay, kailangan po natin ng 2 eggs. Mix it with salt and pepper. And, depende yun, pero tansya-tansya lang, no? Yung exact measurement or yung ingredients, ilalagay ko sa description below. And when you stir this one, set it aside. Tapos kumuha kayo ng panibagong lalagyanan. Ayan, you can see I'm putting salt. And for our dry ingredients, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of a cornstarch, and then about 3/4 cup ng water, pero put it gradually. O, diba? Hirapan pa ang lola nyo. And then mix it. Ito po ang ating secret ingredients. Ice cubes. Ayan. Para maging crispy ang ating gagawin. Ayan. Put it over there. Tapos mix it. Mix and mix, diba? Malamig na siya. And then, just combine the dry and the wet ingredients. O, diba? So, here goes. Watch the video, guys! Siyempre, ito na lang ang sauce ko. Oops, ang daming ating, what we call this, crispy. Oy, crispy nga. Ako lang makakain nito. And this is my breakfast or snack. Crispy nga. Oh, ayan oh guys, crispy. Let's dip it. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. That's our crispy egg chips, guys. If I can do it, you can do it too. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys, and let's hope and pray that this crisis will end very soon. I miss you, munchkins. See you all in the next video. Bye.